Hi kids, you are watching Kids Learn TV. The day feels cozy and a little bit magical. Look, listen, count and learn. Simple tools make discovery fun. Curves point where the air is strongest. Share now, save for later. Balance is sweet. Care keeps the forest beautiful. Colors show gently where the snacks had traveled. Learning together makes magic safer. Kindness tastes as good as cookies. Sweet discoveries rest softly till tomorrow.